Boli? Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, all. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk about myself. My name is Purba Dash. I am coming from Bagnan. Now, I want to share a topic with you, which is some funny incident in my school life. Uh, when I was studied in class 10, actually it was COVID time, but the early of this of that year, we used to go to school regularly. So actually the school is near to my house, so I have to go. I bound to go to school every day because of my mother. So uh, I used to go regularly in school. Uh, so one day, one teacher came into our class and uh, told us and gave us the routine of our exam. So we cannot happy. So then, when our class was finished, then we came back our home. Uh, মানে আস্তে আস্তে on the way our exam was came. On the day of exam, we I got up early and just yeah, I got up early at about 4:30 a.m. and yeah, for 4:30 a.m. Then I take my book and went to my ma and sat beside her and started reading loudly. Yeah, it's acting of reading, and I read loudly. So my mother was, hey, I tried to understand that, make my mom understand that I'm reading. After that, when it was 9:30, I got ready and went to school. So some of my friends, they are my villager, so they came into my house. And after that, when I got ready, after that, I and my some friends were mane line by line, one by one, take pranam from my mother, my yeah, all the elders. And after that, we went to yeah, after that, we went to school. And in our way, মানে রাস্তায়, on the way, I met with my maternal uncle and দিদাকে কি বলবো, grandmother, maternal grandma. And we also took the same things. After that, we went to our school and sat down and মানে যেমন ভাবে বসতে হয়, as usual, we take our seat. Sometimes later, one of my friend came to me and gave me a কি বলে ওটাকে, মানে নোট, gave me a notes. And she told me that, keep it with keep it secret, and yeah, keep it secret, and uh, give it, মানে তোমার কাছেই রাখো, keep it to you. So very, I became very nervous because I didn't, মানে আমি এরকম কখনো করিনি, I am not habituated about it. So but মানে খুব ক্লোজ ফ্রেন্ড ছিল, she was my too much close friend. So yeah, I gave it from her. So after sometimes later, our teacher was came to our room. The teacher was loves me so much. Mm. Then the bell rang and we started our exam. um, Actually, the question paper is too much easy. But when I মানে ওল্টা no, turn over the page, uh, then I realized that it's not that easy. And also I saw that question which is which is in note. So I became happy. Sometime I became happy. Then I felt that how can I use it? After that, my one friend, which sat beside behind me, uh, I mean 1 hour later, that friend gave me, yeah. That that friend gave me again a note and told me that who is sat front of me, give it, hand over it. So I'm little bit feeling nervous because 1 hour later another teacher is came in our class. This is a ma'am, but she is too much strict, and also she did not like me. I don't know why, but she didn't like me. So I told her. After that, I told my friend that I I can't, মানে আমি তাকে দিতে পারবো না। I I I cannot hand over it. So my friend said again and again, again and again. So yeah, so I কোনটা লাগবে সেটা রেখেছি কিন্তু মুখস্থ ওরা অন্তত আমি প্রথম থেকে ওদের খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট ওরা ওটাই লেগেছে কতটা জিনিয়াস আমি বলতে পারি না কিন্তু পড়ে কতটা আমি পড়বো so at that time I feeling so much irritated and then I মানে তার কথা মেনে নেওয়া I accept, yeah, I accepted her request and I মানে তার কাছ থেকে নিলাম I took the note and gave it to my front bencher. So at that time the teacher was just behind me. I did not notice. So she when actually I said that she did not like me. So when is noticed that uh, I handing over something, yeah, I handing something. So she just came to me and tell me stand up. So I as usual, I have to. Yeah, I bound to stand up, so I stand up and I মানে মুখ নিচে নামিয়ে রাখা। I was acting as if I am very ashamed. Yeah, I act like I am very ashamed. Then she tried to snatch my copies, but I did not, মানে আমি দিতেই চাইছিলাম না। Yeah, I try to avoid, but she trying to snatch the paper. So then she won because she is my teacher. So then she won and she just মানে নিয়ে চলে গেল, took these copies and মানে ওই চেয়ারে মানে টেবিলে keep it on the table. Then she went to the of our office room and after sometimes later she kept our head teacher in our class. uh, at that time, yeah, at that time I just stood and look at her face and I was thinking that মানে আমার সাথে এবার কি হবে। What is there in my written in my forehead? What is written in my forehead? So, yeah. After that, our teacher, our head teacher, is come in our class. He is too much sweet and humble person. Actually, he liked me because at মানে যখন স্কুলে পড়তাম, when I read in the school, I performed in every programs, external programs, yeah, such as cultural programs such as dancing and singing. So actually he is a fan of my dancing. So he, yeah, so he liked me. So many times he just called me and share 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 in many time our head teacher uh, called me and he told me that sat beside me and he started মানে বক বক করা telling giveaways of at that way see he became too much like familiar person to me. So yeah, soft corner was there. So when he came into the class, I firstly I became ashamed, but sometimes later I thought that he was like my friend, he cannot do anything. Then i then the teacher was come to me and told me that huh? Yeah, head teacher came to me and told me that Purva, don't do it again, okay. So I just say yes. Yes. So again our teacher says that why you do it. So I in that time in that time I মানে সত্যি কথা বলে দিয়েছি। I told the truth that my who is beside me she just tell me the মানে দিয়ে দিতে requested me to requested me to to hand over it. So the teacher was just look at me angrily, and then when he look at me angrily, I just stopped and I also look at her face, and I was at that time I thinking that is he can't মানে আমাকে কি চিনতে পারছে না know me come to know me that I am Purva. So after that sometime some seconds later he just smiled and tell to me that yeah, and told me that don't do it again, and just look beside her. She was look at me and the teacher uh, angrily. After that our head teacher told to our ma'am that give it back to the give the paper back to her, and then our teacher mm, মানে আমাকে দিয়ে দিল do the same thing. Then our teacher just left from the room, and I was became very happy and uh, মানে একটা সেলিব্রিটি ফিল হচ্ছিল। I felt like celebrity because our head teacher is yeah, gave the mercy. This is the too much funny things in our yeah, thank you.